Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today, I thought I'd create a look inspired by Rocky Gathercole's gown made for Rabiya. Since it's very timely, we just saw Miss Universe, and if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Gusto ko sana, ang dami kong gustong i-film actually. I only have limited amount of time kasi tuwing weekend lang ako nag-film. Tapos, madaling araw lang, as in mga yung tipong walang masyadong tao. So, back-to-back talaga yung mga film ko minsan. So, I wanted to create parang an inspired look by Rabiya's gown. It's a little commemoration na rin to the late designer Rocky Gathercole. Ayun. So, I wanted to create an inspired look lang by, dun sa gown ni Rabiya. So, let's get going. I wanna use Dermacol 2 to 3. Just because ang tagal ko nang hindi ginamit to. Initially, I thought this is my shade. Pero parang medyo konting dark siya for me. Pero I just wanna try again kasi medyo nag-darken tayo ng konti. I'm using my Glad King sponge. Yung mga huli ko kasing videos, ang ginamit ko naman doon is Dermacol din, pero 218, I think. Pasensya na, mukha na siyang dugyot. Kasi inaano ko siya, yung pino-fold-fold. Ang pangit na niya. Pino-fold-fold ko kasi siya para maano yung product. So, gamit na siya. So, I thought I'd use this foundation kasi it's been a while. Maybe mas mag-fit pala to sa akin. Kasi lately, napansin ko sa mga video, parang puti masyado ng foundation. And I'm not sure if it's because, ito. Ito yung ginagamit ko lately, si CoverGirl M20. Baka hindi pala siya yung shade ko. Pinipilit ko lang. Chart. Tapos, in fairness, talaga dito kay Dermacol. Sobrang yung coverage niya. Ganda. And, yun nga, parang nabanggit ko rin from previous na video, hindi ko kailangan ng sobrang daming product. Yung concealer ko, more of highlight na lang talaga. And, not much corrector is needed whenever I use this product. So, medyo loyal ako sa kanya ng konti. Okay. Kailangan ko nga mapalit. Shucks! Gahanapan tayo ng ng foundation. So, since ang ng base ko, ang dark na ng base ko, medyo mag-highlight ng as you can see, may may backlight na ako. But let me know kung ano pa ang dapat idagdag sa lighting. I'm thinking kasi lalagyan ko pa itong dito sa sides ko para mas kita kasi as you can see may shadow pa here. So, magdadagdag pa ako ng konting ilaw dito sa harap para mas kita. And let me know what you guys think if the background is working for you. If you would remember, diba, yung mga first few na videos ko, kita-kita yung cortina, kita yung bookshelf, tapos meron pa akong something sa likuran. Kasi, parang decor talaga ng bahay yun. So, and we're doing a bit of adjustments lately. So, let me know if it's working. What else can we do to make it better? Kasi ang distracting din kasi. Diba? Kaya itong cortina dito, really had to go. Ito, iniisip ko na tanggalin. Pero kasi, medyo boring na yung background kung tatanggalin ko, diba? So, what do you guys think? Should I remove it? Should I not? I just do my contour. And it's not gonna take so long na since mas meron ng dimension. I'm gonna use this from Glad King. Hindi na ako mag-bake dito kasi I don't feel the need for it. So, bake as necessary na lang. So, let's get to the brows. I wanna use my BYS Brow Definition Kit for this look. So, this side is going to be the blue and then red naman dito. Let's go to blue side. Masyado yata mainit yung camera, so I'm gonna have to finish the look siguro later. Pagpapahingahin ko lang yung camera, pag maglalagay na ako ng details, papakita ko sa inyo. I'll be back. Yeah, so as promised, kapag maglalagay na ako ng detail, papakita ko sa inyo. So, I already have the detail here on this side. I'm gonna add here. Ano lang naman, concealer lang, tapos draw lang ng star. I want the stars to kinda steal the show. Ayun, nakita kasi ko nag-comment na na na-distract daw sila dun sa stars. But I want to pack yellow. Tapos sayang, no? Hindi niya na nasuot yung headdress. Feeling ko it will tie the look up. But she did her, Rabiya did her best. So, ibigay na natin sa kanya. By the way, kapag nag-weaving ako, talagang kapag may pikit, hindi siya pantay. Kasi nga, kapag dilat ko, yung kabila folds niya. So, that's just how it is. Kaya, kailangan tin-check ko rin kapag nakadilat ako if tama yung itsura niya. I think I wanna go with a nude, pero I'm gonna add shimmers to it. So let's go for baked sunnies.
Wow!
it. So, ayan, ito na, I've completed the look, and ayan, paano lang yung buhok ko. Magulong eme lang. This is my Rocky Catercole inspired look. Dun sa gown na ginawa niya for Rabiya, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you, dolls, for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye, dolls!